Hey guys, welcome to SEOCurrent. Today, we're going to talk about killer marketing strategies that'll turn your visitors into solid leads. If you've been struggling with conversions, don't worry, we've got your back. Let's jump right in, and by the end of this video, you'll be ready to crush it. Strategy 1: Understand your audience. First up, you gotta understand your audience. You can't sell anything if you don't know who you're talking to, right? Dive into their behavior, their pain points, their desires. The more you know, the better you can connect. Tip number 1: always ask yourself, what's keeping my audience up at night? That's where you start. Strategy 2: create high quality, relevant content. Next, content is king, but only if it's relevant. Your content should scream, I've got the solution you need. It doesn't matter if it's a blog post, a killer video, or even an email. If it's not helping or solving a problem, it's just noise. Tip number 2: make your audience feel like you're speaking directly to them. Be their hero. Strategy 3: optimize your landing pages for conversions. Your landing page is like a first impression, and you know what they say, first impressions last. Keep it clean, keep it clear, and give your visitors an obvious next step. Oh, and make sure it loads fast. No one likes waiting. Tip number 3: one goal per page. Don't overload your visitors, give them one path to follow. Strategy 4: use social proof and trust signals. Let's be real, people trust people. So show them you're the real deal. Put up customer reviews, testimonials, or success stories. When visitors see that others trust you, they'll feel confident jumping on board too. Tip number 4: don't just talk about yourself, let your happy customers do it for you. Strategy 5: leverage retargeting ads. Alright, here's a secret: most visitors don't convert the first time around, and that's okay. With retargeting ads, you get a second shot. Maybe they didn't bite the first time, but a well-placed ad can remind them why they need you. Tip number 5: be strategic, don't annoy them with ads. Offer something new each time to draw them back. Strategy 6: implement lead magnets. Everyone loves a good freebie. Whether it's an ebook, a cheat sheet, or even a discount, give your visitors something valuable in exchange for their contact info. It's like a win-win situation. Tip number 6: think of what your audience really needs, and make sure your lead magnet solves that need. Strategy 7: personalize the user experience. Personalization is everything these days. Imagine visiting a site and feeling like it's tailored just for you. That's the experience you want to create for your visitors, whether it's personalized recommendations, emails, or content. Tip number 7: data is your best friend, use it to customize the experience and make visitors feel special. Strategy 8: use strong, action-oriented CTAs. Last but not least, don't forget the CTA. It's like inviting someone to take the final step with you. Be clear, be bold, and tell them exactly what they need to do. No beating around the bush. Tip number 8: use power words like now, today, or instant. Make your visitors feel like they have to act quickly. So there you have it, folks. These are the strategies that'll help you turn visitors into leads like a pro. Give them a try and watch your conversions go through the roof. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to SEOCurrent for more awesome tips. Till next time, keep hustling.